In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gift card on Squarespace, an incredibly useful feature for anyone looking to enhance their online store's offerings. So, let's dive in and walk through this step-by-step process together. First, head over to your Squarespace homepage. This is where you'll get started, so once you're there, look for the search icon. Clicking on the search icon is going to open up a search bar, giving you the ability to quickly navigate to different parts of your Squarespace dashboard. In the search bar, type in gift card. This will help you find the section where you can manage and add gift cards to your website. Once you've searched for gift card, move on to the next step by clicking on Products. This is under the Commerce section of Squarespace, where all your physical and digital products are managed. In this menu, look for the option to add a new product, which is usually in the top right corner of your screen. Click on ADD Product to proceed. A new window will pop up and you'll see various product types. Here, you want to select Gift Card. This selection is important because it ensures you're creating a product specifically designed to function as a gift card on your store. After selecting gift card, you'll be prompted to fill in the product details. This includes the name of the gift card, a description, and any other specific details pertinent to the gift card you are offering. Being clear and detailed here helps your customers understand exactly what they're purchasing. Next, consider adding an image to your gift card entry. This could be a visual representation of your gift card, and it's important to choose an image that aligns with your brand's aesthetic. A good image can make all the difference in appealing to your customers. After you've handled the imagery, it's time to set up your inventory. Squarespace allows you to manage how many gift cards you have available, and this is where you specify those details. Now, to keep things organized, head over to the Organization settings for your gift card. Here you can categorize and tag your gift cards, making them easier to find or segregate from other products on your site. Now, let's focus on your selling tools. These are important for your sales strategy and could include discount options or any upsells you might wish to consider. Finally, after setting up all the details, images, inventory, organization, and selling tools, you've reached the last step, which is to simply click on Save. And there you have it. You've successfully added a gift card to your Squarespace store. By following these steps, you've just boosted the appeal and functionality of your online shop, making it easier for your customers to purchase the perfect gift.